Wait, welcome back in part 2. Last class we read the pipe paper. So now we will read question answer. It was actually your homework question answer. Look, I wish you learned all that. Okay, so now I want to give you answer. If you write down already, please try to match with me. So first question. What was the name of the town? What was the name of the town and what happened there? Look, first question. What was the name of the town and what happened there? What happened there? The name of the town was Hamelin. Across the North Sea was overrun with rats. Okay? The name of the town was Hamelin. Across the North Sea was overrun with rats. Okay? Second question. What did the people beg to the mayor? The people begged to the mayor to do something, rid them of the rats. The people begged to the mayor to do something to rid them of the rats. Look boys, here mayor, M capital letter. Mayor, M capital letter. Okay. And beg, B-E-double-Z-E-D. Okay. It's actually past form. Last class also I told you when you will get did in a question, you will need to change the verb. Okay. In this sentence, verb is begged. Begged. So please change the verb. Okay, begged actually past form. Begged actually past form. Okay, so be careful about writing past tense. Third one, what did the rats do after reaching the riverside? What did the rats do after reaching the riverside? Answer, after reaching the riverside, the rats dived headlong into the water and were drowned. Okay, drowned means ডুবে যাওয়া. Okay, after racing the riverside, the rats dived headlong into the water and were drowned. So, our fourth question. How did the little boys and girls come behind the pipe paper? How did the little boys and girls come behind the pipe paper? Answer, the little boys and girls with rosy cheeks and flaxen curls came tripping, skipping and loving behind the pipe paper. If you read the story properly, you will get all the answer in your textbook. So boys, try to find out all that from your textbook. The little boys and girls with rosy cheeks and flaxen curl came tripping, skipping and loving behind the pipe paper. So This 4 question was for today. I wish you will learn all that. So now take your homework. I wish last class you learn word meaning and make sentence. Okay? And today's work, question answer. So please write all that and send me in comment section. Okay boys, so please try to watch the video again and try to read the story and try to hear the story and try to write down all this yourself. So bye bye boys, take care. Till then we come back again. So bye.